साडे नाल रोवोगे ते ऐश करोगे किचन दे सारे मजे टेस्ट करोगे साडे नाल
Hi and assalamu alaikum to all the beautiful family.
Assalamu alaikum.
We are back in the kitchen, guys. A lot of you guys have been requesting a certain thing, which I'm gonna let Mama Bear and Papa Bear explain to you.
दसो जी
आज मैं बना रही हूँ फलूदा
फलूदा
कुल्फे वाला फलूदा
So kulfe wala falooda, and a lot of you have requested it. So today, finally, Mama Bear is gonna make some amazing falooda for you.
not to forget
हाँ सोनिया रमजान
Sonia Ramzan. She has been after this recipe for a long time
बहुत
now.
लॉन्ग टाइम तो हाँ
Yes.
And this lady here has been trying to fit this in for you. Inshallah, it's for all the viewing family.
सब वास्ते बनाया तो सब खाना तो मैं दसना
We all obviously want you to join us in the fun we're going to have with this Lahori Kulfa
Oh, yeah.
कुल्फे वाला फलूदा
Kulfa Falooda. So, chalo.
नेक्स्ट मैं रबड़ी वाला भी बनाऊंगी
Yes, Mama Bear will make the rubbery one as well, but this time round, let's move on to this one in particular. So
कुल्फा
yeah,
फलूदा
ready?
रेडी
Let's go take a look at
Thank
the
you.
ingredients.
Chalo.
1.5 लीटर मिल्क
So 1.5 liters of whole milk.
250 ग्राम डबल क्रीम
So that's like what Mama Bear said, 250 grams of double cream,
300 ग्राम कंडेंस मिल्क
300 grams condensed milk,
एक बोल खोए दा
1 bowl of KHOYA,
3 ਤੋਂ 4 ਚਮਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਰੀਕ ਬਰੀਕ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਬਦਾਮਾਂ ਦੇ
so 3 to 4 tablespoons of pistachio, crush them as you can see.
3 ਤੋਂ 4 ਚਮਚ ਪਿਸਤੇ ਦੇ
3 to 4 tablespoons of pistachio, and once again, crush them as you can see.
ਹਾਫ ਟੀ ਸਪੂਨ ਲਾਚੀ ਪਾਊਡਰ
Half a teaspoon of cardamom powder,
1 ਕੱਪ ਚੀਨੀ ਦਾ
1 cup of sugar,
1 ਟੀ ਸਪੂਨ ਰੋਜ਼ ਵਾਟਰ
1 teaspoon of rose water.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨਾ ਦੁੱਧ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਅੱਗ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਬਾਲਾ ਆਉਣ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਬਾਲਾ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਨਾ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਹੀਟ ਤੇ ਪਕਾਣਾ ਹੈ
First step, guys, is to add the milk into the pan and cook it until it boils. Once the milk boils, then you want to turn your heat to medium and then cook it for half an hour.
ਬੋਇਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਧ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ 5 ਮਿੰਟ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਮਚਾ ਹਿਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਦੁੱਧ ਥੱਲੇ ਨਾ ਲੱਗੇ
The milk has now boiled. What you want to do is you want to put it on medium heat like we said, and then while cooking it for half an hour, make sure you keep stirring it.
ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਹੈ ਦੁੱਧ ਪੱਕਿਆ ਤੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਗਾੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਜੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਚੀਨੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ
So the milk has been cooked for half an hour and it's gone slightly thick, and then what you want to add is the sugar,
ਤੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਿਲਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ
and then the condensed milk goes straight in, and then give it a stir and cook further for 10 minutes.
ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਲਾਚੀ ਪਾਊਡਰ
Now you want to add the cardamom powder,
ਖੋਇਆ ਪਾ ਦੋ ਸਾਰਾ
and then all the KHOYA goes straight in,
ਰੋਜ਼ ਵਾਟਰ
and then 1 teaspoon rose water,
ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੱਕ ਖੋਇਆ ਸਭ ਮੈਲਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਐਂਡ ਫਿਰ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਪਕਾਣਾ ਹੈ
cook it further for 15 minutes, guys.
ਕਾੜਾ
Make
ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ
sure,
ਸਾਰਾ ਖੋਇਆ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਲਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ
make sure the KHOYA is all melted into the mixture.
ਤੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਕਰੀਮੀ ਜਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੁਲਫਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਦੇ
As you can see, guys, the kulfa has turned out nice and creamy, nice and thick.
ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਕਰੀਮ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਵਿੱਚ
Now you want to add the double cream straight in,
ਪਿਸਤਾ ਤੇ ਬਦਾਮ
as well as adding the pistachios and the almonds, and then stir it just like that.
5 ਮਿੰਟ ਹੋਰ ਪਕਾਣਾ ਹੈ
Now cook it further for another 5 minutes.
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਬੋਲ ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ 6 ਘੰਟੇ ਲਈ ਫ੍ਰੀਜ਼ਰ ਚ ਰੱਖਣਾ
And what you want to do, guys, is transfer it into a bowl and put it in the freezer for about approximately 6 hours. There we are, guys. The kulfa is now ready, and wait for it to cool down for a bit, and then what you want to do is place it into the freezer for 6 hours. Oh yes.
ਦੋ ਬੋਲ ਕੌਰਨਫਲਾਵਰ
So 2 bowls of corn flour,
2 ਟੇਬਲਸਪੂਨ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ
2 tablespoons of sugar,
ਹਾਫ ਜਗ ਵਾਟਰ
half a jug of water,
ਠੰਡਾ ਬਰਫ਼ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਰਫ਼ ਹੋਰ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਥੋੜੀ
So you want a bowl of water, cold water, and you want to add a bowl of ice.
ਦੋ ਬੋਲ ਕੌਰਨਫਲਾਵਰ
So add the 2 bowls of corn flour.
ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਡੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਪਤਲਾ
So you want to add little bits of
ਵਿੱਚ
water
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ,
in.
ਹਾਂ ਗਿਲਟੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
Yeah, so you got to make sure it's nice and smooth. So while adding the water, make sure you thoroughly mix it.
2 ਟੇਬਲਸਪੂਨ ਚੀਨੀ
And then you want to add the 2 tablespoons of sugar.
ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਨਾ ਕੁੱਕਰ ਔਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਦੇਣਾ।
So now switch the cooker on and put it straight into a pan.
ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚੱਕਰ ਪਕਾਓ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੱਕ ਪੇਸਟ ਜਿਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਨਾ ਪੇਸਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਫਿਰ
So guys, you want to keep cooking it and stirring it at the same time until it becomes like a gooey sort of paste. And as you can see guys, it's become like a gooey sort of paste. Looks a bit like glue and it's looking absolutely amazing.
ਤੇ ਗਰਮ ਗਰਮ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸੇਵੀਆਂ ਬਣਨੀਆਂ ਠੰਡਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੇਣਾ ਅੱਛਾ
Yeah, you don't let it cool down. You've got to make sure it remains nice and hot and make sure you keep stirring it at the same time. You want to switch off the cooker. Okay guys, so once you've made the mixture, you want to use a spaghetti making machine, just like the one Mama Bear's got. Or if you haven't got one of them, you can use a
ਬੋਤਲ
normal
ਸੌਸ ਦੀ
bottle.
ਬੋਤਲ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ
Yes, so fill it up with the mixture you just made. So Papa Bear is going to do the honors of making the spaghetti. Oh yes. Look at that. Perfect.
So, mashallah, that was absolutely magnificent. I'm enjoying myself in the kitchen, and especially when it's concerning falooda.
ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨੇ ਸੇਵੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ
So this gadget is amazing. You know, it's amazing. So,
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀਆਂ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਲੱਛੇ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਸੇਵੀਆਂ
it's like going back to school days when we used to use them vices in our lesson of woodwork,
ਲੱਛੇ ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ
and you know, it's just fantastic. So we fill that up as you saw me turning this around, and the magnificent lache were coming
ਲੱਛੇ
out.
ਬਣ ਗਏ ਹਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ
So aaj lache khane ne with the falooda. Looks really nice.
falooda ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
ठीक है?
ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਣਾ ਤੇ ਖਾਣਾ
Join us.
There we are guys. The spaghetti is looking absolutely amazing.
ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਬਣੀਆਂ
Oh yes. Wow. Let's move on to the milk. So the kulfa is ready as well as the spaghetti. Next up we are going to be making the milk.
ਫਲੂਦਾ
For the
ਵਾਸਤੇ,
falooda.
ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਧਾ ਲੀਟਰ ਦੁੱਧ ਹਾਫ
So
ਲੀਟਰ
half a liter of milk.
ਤੇ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ 2 ਸਪੂਨ ਨਾ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਦੇ ਪਾ ਦੇਣ
So two
Tablespoons.
tablespoons of sugar.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉਬਾਲਾ ਆਉਣ ਦਿਓ
And now make sure the milk boils before doing anything else for 5 minutes. So the milk has boiled and it's looking wow.
ਥੋੜਾ ਗਾੜਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ 5
So it's gone nice and thick.
ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ
Now
ਇਹਨੂੰ
switch
ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ
the
ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋ
cooker off.
ਜਾਣਾ।
Let it cool down. The milk is now ready.
ਕੁਲਫਾ ਵੀ ਰੈਡੀ ਹੈ ਸੇਵੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਰੈਡੀ ਨੇ ਦੁੱਧ ਵੀ ਰੈਡੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਤੂਕ ਮਲੰਗਾ ਐਸੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ
So what you want to do guys, next up is going to be your basil seeds and you're going to put them into the water.
ਤੇ ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਅਸੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪਿਆ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਿਓ
And then for half an hour, you want to just put them to one side to soak up. Oh yes. And there we are people. As you can see, the basil is now ready for
ਤੂਕ
the
ਮਲੰਗਾ
falooda.
ਰੈਡੀ ਹੈ
Yeah, so it's ready for the falooda and it's looking amazing as always. Make sure to drain them properly and then put them in a separate bowl just as you can see.
ਮਿਲਕ ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਚ ਨਾ 3 ਤੋਂ 4 ਚਮਚ ਨੇ ਟੇਬਲ ਸਪੂਨ ਰੋਜ਼ ਸਿਰਪ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਰੂਹ ਅਫਜ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਸਿਰਪ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ
So there we are guys, the milk has cooled down and what Mama Bay is adding now is some rose syrup. How many
4
tablespoons?
ਟੀਸਪੂਨ ਟੇਬਲ ਸਪੂਨ
4 tablespoons guys of rose syrup, and Mama Bear did say that if you want to use roux afza you can do so.
ਉਹ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ
Look how pink that's come out. It's looking wow. Oh yes, and I can smell the rose syrup guys, and I'm telling you now it smells beautiful. Right guys, so your first step is to cut the kulfa that you made.
ਉਹ ਕੱਟ ਲਓ ਨਾਲ ਪੀਸ ਬਣਾ ਲਓ ਆਹ
So cut them into pieces, as you can see. There we have it guys. The kulfa is now cut and
ਕੁਲਫੇ
they're
ਦੀਆਂ
ready.
ਡਲੀਆਂ ਬਣ ਗਈਆਂ
Yes, cut into nice cube shapes. So yeah, they're looking wow. Okay guys, so it's time to make the falooda, and what you want to do in this fancy cup, add the basil seeds first, then you want to add the spaghetti, then you want to add the piece of kulfa, and then to top it up, your milk with the rose syrup in it,
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਪਾਣਾ
and the finishing touch guys, a bit of pista and badam with your straw. Just look at that. Perfect. Okay guys, so Mama Bear is going to make a second cup. But this time it's going to be slightly different. So the basil seeds are in. You're going to add a bit of jelly. The spaghetti straight in. With your kulfa. And once again, top it up with your rose syrup milk. Once again, your pistachios and almonds crushed right on top. There we have it guys. There's your 2 cups of falooda, 2 different styles. One contains the jelly and the one on the right has just the kulfa in it. And don't they just look magnificent? Wow. Finally guys, we've got all 4 glasses ready. 4 different styles, as you can see. Some contain more jelly, some are containing the kulfa, and I'm telling you now, they look wow, wonderful. So hats off to Mama Bear.
अच्छा जी, ਇਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਾਹੌਰੀ ਫਲੂਦਾ
ਜਾਲੀ ਵਾਲਾ
अच्छा, viewing family, looking at this falooda here, don't you think this falooda has got something in common with this Mrs. Begum? I think
ਕੁਲਫੇ ਵਾਲਾ
I think this falooda is matching today with Mrs. Begum, is it not?
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Same color coordination.
ਆ ਜਾਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਲਫੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਫਲੂਦਾ ਪੀਓ ਠੰਡਾ ਠਾਰ
There you go. Thanda Tar
ਬਹੁਤ
Falooda.
ਮਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ ਬਣਿਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ
And I like this one. The one I've got here is the one with jelly and obviously KHOYA. Kulfa. And I love jelly, so I've had to have this one. It's magnificent. So I'm going to do the first honors and taste this for you guys. And just let you know how good this is. So, Bismillah. Wow, I've got to say, she's thumbs up again. Fantastic. बहुत nice है. What's the
खुशबू भी बहुत मजेदार रोज भी बहुत नाइस बनी है
So
कुल्फा भी बहुत अच्छा बनी है
I think it's magnificent. So this one obviously is for Shani's going to take his pick out of these 2 and let's see how he likes this.
Right guys, so the falooda looks magnificent like I told you so many times. Mama Bear has done a phenomenal job once again. So yeah, I'm gonna take my pick now. And you know what? I'm gonna go for the one in the middle. Yeah, the one in the middle, and we're gonna give it a taste. You know what? Just the presentation, the way it looks, wow. Let's do this. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
पिस्ते बादाम भी मुंह च आ रहे हैं बहुत नाइस
That is delicious.
बहुत मजेदार बनी.
The rose syrup has to be the main thing of this Falooda. The taste of that rose syrup is just
Rose की खुशबू
wonderful.
बहुत nice है.
The smell of it and even the taste of it. Trust me guys, you've got to try this. Make sure you give this a go. Mama Bear's amazing.
Make sure करना ठंडा बर्फ होवे
recipe.
ठंडा.
Yeah, you've got to make
जितना
sure.
ज़्यादा ठंडा होएगा उतना ही ज़्यादा लजीज होएगा.
I'll tell you what, drop a few ice cubes in if you need to, if you want to.
बिल्कुल,
A
बिल्कुल.
couple of ice cubes in. Trust me, you will enjoy this fantastic dessert that Mama Bear has made. Well done. Well done.
Acha, so the viewing family, I have something to say. And today I'd like to say to you guys, Sade naal rovoge te ऐश करोगे किचन दे सारे मजे टेस्ट करोगे साडे नाल
बिल्कुल साडे नाल. Well done.
Right guys, we got BK and Fufu in the house as well.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh yes, so
Falooda.
we're gonna get you to try it as well.
This looks beautiful.
It does indeed. Mama Bear's amazing Falooda.
Oh, that's bomb.
It's the bomb, yeah?
You can't beat that. Like,
It's
you need to try
fantastic.
that. That's perfect.
तुसी भी सारे ट्राई करो तो देखो बहुत
That's
मजेदार बनी है.
perfect. Mom, can I ask you a question? How do you make this?
कुल्फा भी बहुत अच्छा
I
बनी
want
है.
to know where it starts.
Watch the YouTube video and you'll know how to make it, innit?
थोड़ी मेहनत हैगी है पर बहुत अच्छा बनी है.
That's beautiful. You guys need to definitely try making this.
Mama Bear is always doing magic in the kitchen.
Well, Mom, this is beautiful. Really nice. I think we should give Mom a round of applause.
Hey!
सारे आओ ते खाओ.
Sare aao te khao.
इंशाल्लाह one day.
I have to say to the viewing family, again it's been a pleasure. It's been absolutely wonderful. Inshallah ta'ala, I love you guys. We all love
I
you
love
guys.
you. Yes.
We all love you, definitely.
And we look forward to bringing you some very, very good vlogs. And like I said earlier, a special request was for Sonia Ramzan.
बहुत देर तो कह रही थी हम.
So Sonia Ramzan, if you're watching this, this lady,
बिल्कुल बना के ते खाई भी.
yes, she made this obviously Falooda for yourself and all my family there.
रोज सिरप आके ते खा के देखना बहुत नाइस है.
Ah.
खुशबू बहुत नाइस है.
Have you guys got anything to say?
Just love to the don't copy me again. Love to the subscribers. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And like and comment. He said love to the subscribers. You mean love to the family?
Ah, yeah.
See, I corrected him this time. Okay, that's it.
Corrected it.
You know, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ,
हाँ.
ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ. ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ
Tasty.
ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਥੀਓ, family, friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay people, so once again I hope you enjoyed this amazing video of Mama Bear in the kitchen in action making some amazing Falooda. Anything you guys got to say?
Yes.
Anything Mama Bear wants to say?
Yes.
इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह नवीं डिशां होर भी बनावांगी ते ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖਵਾਵਾਂਗੀ.
Oh yes.
And the main
Nice,
thing
nice.
is, ਇਹ ਅੰਗੂਠੇ ਉੱਚੇ ਕਰਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ
You
ਭੁੱਲਣੇ.
have to man, you have to keep smashing those thumbs up.
Thank you so much.
And
How many likes? 2,570.
he's always hitting the
Thank you.
2,500 mark. So yeah,
Thank
once
you.
again, 2,500 likes guys.
That's 72.
At the 72.
Oh, and the 72.
Yeah, there you go.
So yeah, lots and lots of love to our beautiful family. Once again, as always, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so. Make sure you keep sending your comments in. Make sure you keep smashing those thumbs up, like the
Yeah,
family
thank you.
said. And yeah, if you haven't done so, follow me up on Instagram. Follow me on
Thank you.
Facebook.
Thank you. I love
Follow
you
me on
all.
Snapchat.
I love you all. Thank you.
It is right in front of you.
Thank you.
Make sure you do it.
Hafiz.
So,
Thank you.
Lots and lots of love. Thank
love
you.
you, I love
you
you.
guys.
Thank you.
God bless. From your boy, Shani's
Thank
World
you.
and the family. Peace.
Thank you.